Hey, howdy, hey, Jack from COTTCO Specialty Hardware. Welcome to another edition of COTTCO Chronicles. In this episode, we are discussing Premco's PR102 Chrome Safety Lock. Now, a safety lock is designed to avoid accidental entrapment should the lock body itself become padlocked. The PR102 is available in two strike versions from flush to 2 inches offset. And what makes the PR102 unique is that it's not only OSHA approved, featuring rounded corners to avoid material sticking to it, but Premco manufactures the PR102 with exit bars for doors up to 10 inches thick. Premco PR102 is available to you from COTTCO Specialty Hardware, where you can shop online or you can call us toll-free in the USA and Canada, 877-283-1745. This is Premco Manufacturing PR102 Safety Latch, available to you from COTTCO Specialty Hardware. Thanks for stopping by. You have a great day, and do know that we appreciate your business. Bye-bye.